Hey guys, welcome back to your channel Global Scales. Today's video we are on part number 4. As many of you who did not see the video, go back to part 1. It's been epic. It's been a lot of work done to this Jeep, but today is the day where we're gonna paint it with the brand new color from the outside and the inside. So I just want to thank all the sponsors who's been sponsoring this Jeep since the beginning to today. Today's video is sponsored by Arkfeld. This is a soldering gun. For all of you guys who want to solder any wires or anything, this one it's a lot easier. I'm gonna be using this on this video that you can see. Guys, it's gonna be epic. Stay tuned to watch all this video from the beginning to the end, so I'll be able to reveal the brand new Jeep. Let's go. Alright, so now I'm having a hard problem to remove this fender right here. So the axis, it's really hard to get to those two bolts right there. I'm not sure if you can see. I took up one, but the second one is really down right there. I'm thinking I'm gonna remove this place that holds the battery and see if that's gonna give me access to remove the last one. I found a lot of pinholes right here. I'm not sure if you can see on the camera, really tiny ones. So I said instead of painting this way, I'm just gonna fill them up with the body filler, and so you can get a nice job. are going very well right now. I'm just putting all the parts together and I'm running through some issues for the fitment. So it just bolts that you have to unscrew and then adjust them and make sure everything is lined up perfect. I just finished installing the brake lights. I'm gonna do some quick tests and let's see if it's gonna work. I'm gonna turn on the light, go on the turn signals left and right, and see if it's working. Let's try it. There you go, it's working. Everything is working, guys. Project is almost done. Let's go.